You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name once and for all correctly, which is to say in Spanish, and how you can easily pronounce it as well in English, the English pronunciation of it. A name indeed of Spanish origin. You'll find it in Mexico, South America. It means sea and it's, which translates to bitter. Maritza is the Spanish pronunciation. Maritza. Maritza. Therefore, in English, you can simply say it as Maritza. Maritza. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.